Alright, a little side project is going to be this. On a lot of these older vehicles, they have a your brights are actually on the floor. So if you look down here on the floor is where it sits. It's supposed to click as you step on it, and then your brights will turn on and off, except the one in here is stuck. So the brights are kind of just always on. Looking at the new one, it looks like there's two bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom, and just a connector. So it should be easy to take in and out. It's a bit corroded. It looks like it's been sitting down there for a while. We're gonna get the vacuum and vacuum that out. But basically, you just take away this connector. It should just slide off. Slides off just like that. And then we're just going to put the new one on. And yeah, see, that doesn't go up or down. It's just kind of stuck there. And put the new one on and we should be good. Suppose we should make sure it works before we get it down there. So I'm going to turn the key on. Turn the key on. Right there is for lights. And then whoop, right here, as we click it, we should see that blue light. So brights on, brights off. And if we look up there at the front, you can see the change in light as well. Well, that seems to be working. And then yeah, it's just these two screws to put it back in place. Thanks for watching.